Hello students, I am back. Class 5, Subject EVS, Chapter 7, Chapter name Our Forest and People. Topic Tribal Life. Now today we are going to talk about the life of the Adivasis, life of the tribal people. The tribals of India have their own unique religion, culture and language. The Adivasis people which live in the forest, they follow their own method of living. They have their own rules and regulations, their religion, culture. Even they use their separate language. That language is not in the common, same as to the other peoples. Many of them have converted to Hinduism and Christianity. By the time, day by day, as the country is developed, culture developed, dividation happened, many places changes. So the government also take the interest in the life of these type of peoples. Since the whole tribal life is totally dependent on the forest, many of them accepted the other religions. They convert their religions in the other like Hinduism and Christianity. When they accepted these type of religions, they got the many type of facilities. That facilities were not taking place in the life of forest. Day by day, many forests are banned to be cut. Because of this, they can't get the things from the forest. So because of this also, the many people accept the other religions and they settle in the villages and cities also. A lot of tribals still follow their own religion. They worship their environment. Many tribal lives converted into other religions. Still, many of them are still living in the forest and they are doing worship of their environment. They are thinking that the forest and other things are same as the God. Nature is an important part of the Adivasi religion, with many of them believing in the spirit of rivers, animals and mountains. We know that tribal life is totally dependent on the forest, So all of they are getting everything from it. The whole environment is natural. Everything is provided by the nature. So they are thinking that the things which they are getting by the nature, the natural resources like rivers, animals and mountains, they are just behaving to them like they are God. They are doing the worship of them. Many tribal groups now live in regular villages and have become urbanized. Some tribals still maintain a close relationship with the forest. With the time by time, as the day by day, the life converted, people developed, the many tribal lives converted into regular living in the villages and they become the urbanized. Still, many of them are connected to the forest also. They make their living by hunting, gathering and practicing a very primitive kind of agriculture. When they settle in the lives, they move here and there, hunting of the animals, they are getting their food by them and even many of them are doing the agriculture work by the primitive kind. Primitive kind means a very old methods. They are using the old methods of agriculture. So with this point, we getting know that the tribal life is totally dependent on the forest. Many tribal people settle in the villages and cities also. Even they are getting from all the things to the forest, therefore they are doing the worship of their environment. At present, the many still tribal life is dependent on the agriculture and they are doing the old methods for doing it. So these were the points related to the tribal life. I hope you understand it. Now today's homework is learn and write about tribal life in your EVS activity copy. You have to write about the tribal life in your EVS activity copy. Thank you.